The Bank of Korea has decided to keep its key interest rate steady amid a number of uncertainties, including the surge in coronavirus cases, rising inflation, and the Ukraine-Russia crisis. But in his announcement today, the BOK governor did suggest that there could be rate hikes coming soon. Eum Ji-young has the details.
South Korea's central bank has left its benchmark interest rate on hold at 1.25% amid the surge in the number of COVID-19 cases. The decision was made during the bank's policy meeting on Thursday. The rate freeze comes after the Bank of Korea raised its key interest rate to 1% in November and hiked it once more to 1.25% in January. The Bank of Korea said it decided to keep the rate steady as it needs to wait and see the effects of the previous rate hike amid economic uncertainties coming from the surge in Omicron cases and the Russia-Ukraine crisis. However, it hinted at possible rate increases in the future.
Because high inflation is forecast to last for a considerable time and the risk of financial imbalances should be reduced, monetary policies in the future will be adjusted appropriately.
The bank forecasts 3.1% inflation this year due to a sharp rise in energy prices and supply bottlenecks. It is the first time in 10 years that the projection has gone above 3%. Consumer prices in South Korea rose by more than 3% on year in October for the first time since 2012, far higher than the central bank's target of 2%.
I expect the Bank of Korea to raise their interest rates again in April, especially if the United States, the Fed, decides to raise its rates on March. Korea needs to raise its rate because Korea needs to control rises in household and corporate debt. It also needs to control inflation.
The Bank of Korea also released its economic outlook, saying that the economy is likely to sustain its sound growth in 2022, with the growth projected at 3%. The central bank added that this year, Korea will continue to see solid exports and a gradual pickup in private spending is likely with the easing of social distancing measures. The bank also expects a recovery in employment led by the service sector. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.